Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button. In today's video, I wanted to show you guys a quick trick to remove a stuck wiper arm. So first thing you're gonna do is actually remove the plastic cover to expose the nut. Looks like that one. To do that, all you're gonna do is take a flat screwdriver and there should be a little notch on the arm and you just put it in there to pop it up. After that, you're gonna go ahead and loosen the nut. You could probably give it about 3 or 4 turns. You don't wanna take it completely off. Then after that, all you're gonna do is take a pair of vice grips. You wanna get the bottom part under the arm and then the top part on the nut. And then make sure it has some decent force when you lock it down. Then after that, all you're gonna do is simply rock the wiper arm and it'll pop loose. Simple as that. If you guys have any questions, comment below. Thanks for watching.